board. Okay, today we will just discuss about the types of physical quantities, right?
Yep.
Uh,
So we have left this amount of substance, electricity.
yes.
I don't remember the last one, but electricity and amount of substance is left.
Okay, I am pasting here some uh, physical quantities. Okay, and you will match it with the relevant instrument. Okay, here.
Oh, yeah, sir, I'd like to answer these. I answered these like a year ago.
Editor?
I'm not. Um, I answered these like a year ago, by the way. Just telling you why there's answers in this.
Okay, here. Okay, now match it. Do you have pencil and pen tool?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, now match it with there. Use line tool or pen tool or whatever. No, first think upon this.
There, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, let me write them down because it's not here. Yeah.
Length of a textbook page will be rule. Length of a classroom will be measured with a measuring tape. Time taken for the ball roll down a ramp. It will be measured in a stopwatch. Very good. Time for sunrise to sunset. Digital clock and volume of a liquid bottle will be in
Measuring cylinder.
measuring cylinder. Very good. Perfect. Have you worked on this book before?
Yeah.
Where?
There's answers in the book, and I was the one working on them.
Sorry?
I currently don't have the book with me anyway.
I can't understand. Sorry, come again.
Yes, I used this book before. I currently don't even have the book right now.
Okay. Okay, let's move now. For example, okay, so I am going to draw here a table. Okay, and now you will write here the here. Now you will write here the name of physical quantities. Okay, type here. Type, use your typing tool. Type name of physical quantities, and then unit. Just here. Here. Wait.
Okay.
Physical quantities. Unit and symbol.
Very question.
Just a
Yours?
minute, just a minute. Very good. So add two more, please, because total are seven, right?
Hmm?
Total seven physical quantities are there. Take your
Yeah,
time.
there's also yeah,
Yeah.
electricity and
Yes, also right, no problem. I'm drawing the table
I
more.
don't remember the last. Yeah, but I don't remember the last one. But there's electricity and something.
Here, no draw it, please. Come on.
Hmm. Yeah, so I can't think of the seventh one. I can't think of the seventh one.
Okay, wait. You didn't mention their okay length, mass, time, temperature, amount of substance, electricity, and there is a luminosity of light or intensity of light. Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
No, that is right. Where do you raise that? The amount
What?
of substance is right. Why did you raise that
No,
here?
I did not erase it, sir. I did not erase it.
Okay,
I just read it back on.
okay. And then intensity of light is there. Ahmed,
Mm-hmm.
move it here.
Okay.
Fine.
So that you wrote about amount of substance again.
Yes, amount of substance. Unit of amount of substance is no. This was already mentioned there. I just said light type here. The intensity of light is the seventh one.
But okay, can you delete amount of substance?
Yes.
There you go.
Very good. Perfect.